Yesterday's open house reminded me of something I don't always get to see. When you're in something every day, building it, working in it, solving problems, you don't always get to step back and really see the impact. And yesterday, I got to see it. We had our open house at One Breath Academy, and I just want to take a moment to acknowledge everyone that came out. People are busy, people have responsibilities, and a lot of people who came are in a place where they're trying to figure out their next step, career wise, stability wise, life wise. So the fact that you took time out of your day to come in, ask questions, explore your options, that matters. And I don't take that lightly. I also want to take a moment to thank the people and organizations who came out and supported. Mr. Demik Colbert from Suitable for the People, thank you again for your generosity. Totally unexpected. Really quickly, guys, Mr. Colbert and I met about 6 years ago. Started off as my CPR client, and he's came back every 2 years to renew. But this year, when he came to renew, we had a quick conversation in my lobby. He said, Mr. Fletcher, I really love what you're doing here. Suitable for the People is going to sow a seed into your mission. And not saying I didn't believe him, but I hear that all the time. But Mr. Colbert showed up this week with a check, presented the check to me. This was the part that got me. He said, we're going to do this every month. So I glanced down at the amount on the check, shocked. And then for him to say, we're going to do this every month, and then in 6 months, we'll revisit and talk about increasing it. That kind of support means a lot, not just because of what was given, but because it shows belief in what we're building here. I also want to acknowledge the Ashton Hope Keegan Foundation. We've been in partnership for about 3 years now. Mr. Ed and Kim Keegan and their entire team have provided scholarships for dozens of our students, from CNA to phlebotomy, medical assistant. Thank you for your presence and thank you for your support. It means a lot to have alignments with organizations that focused on impact and community. And to the team at WIOA, thank you as well. We've been in partnership for about 5 years now, and for many people, WIOA provide access to opportunities that might not otherwise be available. And that matters in a real way. A huge shout out to Miss Kiera. For those of you who are new to the channel, Miss Kiera started out as our student, then became one of our most valued employees, and then spread her wings and opened her own organization, Encourage Her Academy, nonprofit, and check them out. She came back yesterday to support where it all began. Little did she know she was going to be working. I was up and down the stairs running around trying to help everybody. And Miss Kiera stepped right in. There were students or potential students who showed up nervous, afraid, scared, and she stepped right in and comforted them, answered all their questions, told them a little bit about her story, how she started, where she is now, and that eased some of their nerves. She didn't have to do that. She could have just sat there and observed. But I came downstairs one time, she had pulled one of the young ladies into the office and they were having a whole one-on-one. So now, Miss Kiera, when these people sign up, they're going to be looking for you. I don't want to disappoint them. You might have to come back. We're going to have a conversation. Thank you again. Nobody asked her to do that. She just stepped in and did it. But that's just the kind of environment this is. People don't just come through. They step in. They contribute. They help however they can. And that says more about the culture here than anything I can put into words. Shout out to Kim Hammond. Originally was a CNA grad, came back and participated in our very first medical assistant class. But yesterday, she brought her daughter to enroll into that same program. Just think about that. Out of all the options she could have chosen, all the schools, all the programs, she trusted us with her daughter's next step. That's a different level of responsibility. That's not marketing, that's trust. Super shout out to Miss Holly Lattimore. This one meant a lot to me. Holly was one of my very first students for CNA when I first came to Athens. Yesterday, she walked in side by side with her daughter years later to enroll her into our phlebotomy program. That's full circle. That's the kind of thing you can't plan. You can't script it. That's what happens when you do right by people over time. And I'll be honest, we have certified thousands of students at this point. But when you're inside of it every day, you don't always feel that number. You don't always see what that looks like out in the real world. But yesterday, I kept hearing the same thing over and over. Different people, same message. I know someone who came here. I've heard really good things. My friend told me to check you out. And at a certain point, it kind of hits you. This isn't something we're trying to convince people of. This is something people are already experiencing and sharing. And that meant a lot to me because reputation is built when you're not in the room. It's built in conversations you're not a part of. To hear that directly from people walking through the door, that was probably the biggest takeaway for me from the entire day. I also want to say this. If you wanted to come to the open house and couldn't make it, it's no big deal. Seriously. The house is open every day. You don't have to wait for an event to show up. But if that's your preference, we're having another one in July, and I'll share the date when I create it sometime this week. But again, the house is open every day. You can call us, email us, text us, make an appointment, and come have a conversation. There's no pressure on our end. I didn't sell One Breath CNA yesterday. People who had in their mind that they wanted to sign up, they did just that. For the other ones who were interested but kind of not sure, we didn't sign them up. We had them write down their contact information. I'll give them a call this week. We'll talk about a few options and decide if it makes sense, and we'll proceed that way. No pressure to sign up, no sales pitch. Yesterday just reminded me that what we're building here is more than just classes. It's people trusting us with their next step. It's families coming back. It's community showing up and supporting in ways you don't even expect. And I also want to say this. What people are really coming here for is not just a certificate. Yes, the certificate matters because it opens doors, but what sits behind that is opportunity. Opportunity to change your situation, opportunity to build stability. And in healthcare, the opportunity to impact someone's life on a real day-to-day basis. And that's something we take seriously here because every student that comes through, they're not just going through a program. They are stepping into a position where people will depend on them. And when you look at it that way, it just means more. If you've been watching from a distance, if you've been trying to figure out your next move, just start the conversation.